In front of me is Black Shark gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called security and privacy. Then scroll again, this time to tap on device unlock, and when you're ready, select screen lock. Now, pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password, and when you're ready, create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just hit clear at the bottom left corner, redo it, and when you're sure, choose next at the bottom right one. Over here, repeat it to confirm it, and choose confirm. Now, you need to answer this question, what do you want your lock screen to show, by clicking on one of those options. This time you can adjust lock screen notifications. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit done. So now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icon stat pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!